Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin with practical setup. Turn the ignition to accessory or start the engine so the Command screen is active because the system will only pair when powered. Next, enable Bluetooth on your phone and make it discoverable. This lets the E-Class find it. On the rotary controller, press the Tell or Phone button to open pairing. Once done, choose Search for devices on the screen. Make sure the car is stationary. Pairing will fail while driving for safety. Once your phone appears in the Command list, select it with the rotary knob. This initiates the authentication step, and that matters because Bluetooth requires mutual confirmation. You'll see a 6-digit PIN on the car display and on your phone. Compare them carefully, then accept or confirm on both devices. If the car asks for permission to access contacts and messages, grant it so hands-free calling and caller ID work properly. After confirmation, the phone should show connected for audio and calls. To finish, set your phone as the primary device in Command if you want automatic reconnection. This ensures the car connects each time. Make sure contact and call history sync are enabled on the phone so names show during calls. If audio doesn't route, check media audio is enabled in Bluetooth settings. If anything goes wrong, pairing fails or no sound, restart the phone and turn Command off then on. Then repeat the pairing sequence because a fresh handshake often clears connection glitches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.